When you get your clay, compress it using your palms in a cupping motion. You're squeezing the clay into a sphere. Please don't use the canvas to roll your sphere. The reason why is the canvas is dry and it's going to dry out your clay. Afterwards, take a knife, make sure you're using the blade side, to cut your sphere into 2 pieces as best as you can. Turn them into pinch pots. Be careful not to over pinch the rim. We need a little extra clay there so that when we attach them together, they don't collapse into each other. Flatten the rims of your pinch pots by gently tapping them on your canvas. Then, line them up to make sure that your pinch pots are the same width. To attach them together, we're going to scratch and attach. So take your serrated rib and scratch the rims of both your pinch pots. Anytime you need to attach 2 pieces of clay, you always want to scratch the surfaces that will be attached. Next, I'm going to slightly flare out my pinch pots so that when I put them together, they're not going to fold in on one another. After you've done that, we need to add a tiny bit of water, so I have a damp sponge and I'm going to blot the edge that's scratched and then line up my rims and then gently compress and trap the air inside. Once the air is trapped inside, you're going to move the clay from the top pinch pot down over the seam and into the bottom pinch pot. Once you've gone around once, then do the opposite. Move the clay from the bottom pinch pot over the seam and into the top pinch pot. Not only are we creating a visual effect that it is blended, but also structurally the air is trapped inside and the 2 seams are properly blended. Then you can roll it on your canvas and smooth out the bite marks.